Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko. I'm Gesto. And for today's episode 67, mga must-try foods and first ever Boodle fight with Ilonggo vloggers by Owen's Eat All You Can. Owen's Eat All You Can, one of the famous and popular buffet restaurant or seafood restaurant here in Iloilo City. They're located at Ayala Atria Mall at the back of Seda Hotel. They're open for lunchtime 11 a.m. until 3 p.m. and for dinner 6 p.m. until 10 p.m. For Boodle fight, price range of 399 pesos, minimum of 10 persons. And for their other branch in Barangay BITO-ON near Seagarden, Costa del Estrella Food Park. They're open lunchtime 11 a.m. until 3 p.m. and for their dinner 6 p.m. until 10 p.m. And for their Boodle fight price range for 299 pesos per person, minimum of 10 persons. They also serve native chicken, lechon belly, and roast chicken. Please observe no leftover, no sharing, and no takeout. They also offer buffet menus and appetizers with unlimited rice, drinks not included. Walk-in customers are very much welcome. Available for holiday promo starting December 8 until December 31. My boneless lechon combo plus free 1.5 liter on Coca-Cola products. The original boneless belly lechon with 4 main combo dishes for only 3,500, good for 12 to 15 persons. Owen's catering services and designs. Make your occasion extra special and hassle-free for all occasions at a very affordable price. And for fullest of menus, packages, and delivery details, I'll provide a description down below. And this episode is sponsored by Owen's Eat All You Can. Disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. And please do like this video to support and promote our local brands here in Iloilo City. And comment down below kung ano mga foods or favorite nyo sa Owen's Eat All You Can. And share this video to one of your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose, at sa mga kapwa kong Ilonggo vloggers. Para always kayo notified sa my latest episodes ko, just click notification bell icon. And please lang mga nose, kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, kahit ilang seconds or ilang minutes, please lang po, huwag nyo pong skip. Malaking tulong na po yun sa aking channel, Drinking Nose. Hi there mga nose! Welcome to...
Sabi ko Drinking Nose sa panood!
Hi there mga nose! Welcome to...
Owen's Eat All You Can!
Hi there mga nose! Welcome to...
Owen's Eat All You Can!
First of all, I would like to greet all of you. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year sa lahat po. Most especially kasama ko yung mga Ilonggo vloggers. Starting off with...
Hello mga beshies!
Let's start around.
And B-Boy Vlog TV. And of course,
Ayala! Okay. Yeah, Chica! And also, hello mga paraanyans! It's me, Miss Kai.
Thank you so much, Owen, for inviting us. Thank you so much sa lahat po ng Ilonggo vloggers kasama ko ngayon. So this is a wonderful Christmas present sa akin kasi at least nakasama ko na yung mga Ilonggo vloggers. So yung foods dito, gutom na kami and we're very excited to taste test this ultimate Boodle fight. So tara mga nose, kaunta!
yes, thank you so much Ma'am Teresa of Owen. Thank you. Let's eat, let's try.
Thank you so much for this food and thank you for this community na talagang people makakulab. This is my
Amen! Yay!
Okay, makain na kami, guys. That's a big drop, guys.
Ayan.
Super minutes pa, guys. Super. Kasi may nakinig, guys.
Chila ka, grabe.
Pinamit ko yung pinaka-out.
May chicken, may crab, may mixed seafoods,
Mataba yung crab, guys.
lumpia na sa...
Tama, boss.
Masarap mga nose.
Ayun, since may business sila, sige, kasumit kayo. Ano yung gusto yung ma-achieve sa business nyo for 2021?
For me, siguro yung lumago ng bongga-bongga, tsaka makilala yung honeybee. Hi guys, honeybee! Kung mahilig kayo sa street food, punta lang sa Simonetes na bongga-bongga. Char!
Sila mag-grow ako ng business. Yung nga, syempre, malagyan na permit na meron pa kayo sa business. Yung magkilala, malatong yung mga products natin. So, muna nga ako look forward na mag-grow, pag siya mag-grow, pag ma-achieve mo mga bagay na gusto, mga kwaon. Kasi syempre sa family mo, kay tuod mo lang na business kita, kay para sa family mo, mabuligan mo sila. Kaya isa pa, hindi mo man na ma-achieve ang mga bagay na lang kung wala kang goal. Basta mo ako na look forward yung pa ma-spread pa nga ako na ma-business pa, mag-grow pag ito mga na siya. Thank you so much.
Yung question ko next kay Hello Beshi. Anong pinaka-the best gift na receive mo this 2020?
Gift na lang sa subong year is, syempre, yung buhay tayo lahat at kahit nasa nagapuro ka. Ang nabalaman, grabe ang kinubra sa atin sa pandemic, still blessed ng kita gyapon. Kay tawagan niya, dapat na-focus, di na kita dapat sa blessing. Positive lang pa.
Question ko, since na professional yung mga editor, photographer,
Wow!
visuals,
Wow!
ano ma-suggest mo sa mga influencers or small YouTubers sa nag-start pa lang for vlog or vlog?
Just wanna say, just keep on creating. Ay,
Ulit na ako, ulit na!
Simple pero may point siya. B-Boy, since ikaw yung pinakamaraming subscribers per 1,000, diba? Ano ma-suggest mo sa mga nag-iisip yung content or paano mag-grow yung channel nila? Pass the message. Uploading pa more videos na i-content natin yung mga keep share din sa mga videos natin lahat. And excited pa sa paggagawa ng video and bagong content. And kasi ano tayo, YouTuber tayo, dapat content creator tayo. Content creator. Sa akin yun lang. Ay, explain pa rin.
Ay, wala yung food ko ya.
Great! Ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve sa channel mo for 2021?
Siguro, more subscribers. Sana madami pa akong ma-upload sa video. Saka,
The best thing is, napalitan, natin makao ka na lang.
May question ako kay Nico. Ano masasabi mo sa pagkain natin ngayon? Ano yung flavor niya? When it comes to rice, mga kanos, ito yung texture niya, very soft. Sobrang mainit. Yung ganda ng pagkagawa nila, mga kanos. Sobrang international talaga yung quality.
Pag na-feel ko, masauling siya din tika.
Yes! Tapos when it comes to seafood sila, super fresh, super lambot ng texture, ng meat, saboroso. Ang ganda ng seasoning nila, yung combination of sauces, ng herbs, spices, and sobrang sulit ka na for this budget and for the experience also. So eto Anos, thank you so much Owen's family for inviting us and sa mga kasama ko, Ilonggo vloggers. First po, huwag niyo po kalimutan i-subscribe mga channel nila and sa aking channel. So starting off with
Hello, it's me, your best Jeromar. Subscribe. Hello, mga
So, mga kachikas, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yao Chika.
And also, it's me, your girl, kay Iloilo. Labas na lang ka ba?
Hey guys, it's Jerome Paraanyan. So, I'm inviting you to please subscribe my YouTube channel, Nick Kayan. Thank you!
yung mga langgayan. Please subscribe to my channel, Bibo Vlog TV.
Hi guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's subscribe. Thank you.
Once again, thank you Ma'am Teresa for this invitation and for this amazing food and amazing Boodle fry together with the Ilonggo vloggers. So once again, I will greet you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!
Christmas!
Ma'am Teresa, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Owen.